That's good, man. Yeah, good job sharing.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna pretend like we're turtles for a second. So I want us to put our arms out like this, and put our arm like this, and then we're gonna stomp our feet a little bit. And then if you're a turtle, what do you do when you get scared? You hide, right?
So where are you guys at today? What's your school? What school are you from?
From kindergarten. From kindergarten.
What'd you learn today?
Math and reading.
And
And do iPad reading and have coloring fun.
what was your favorite thing at the museum?
The block.
And what was your favorite thing at the museum?
The waterway.
Why?
Because there were so many toys in the water.
All right. What's your name? What's your school? And what's your favorite part of the museum? What was that? Oh, you like the loft. Okay, awesome, awesome. Why'd you like the loft? Why'd you like the loft?
Because I saw a lot of animals.
Awesome, that's a good answer. Let me find it. What did you like best today?
I like the waterways because I like the waterways.
Did you learn anything new today?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
I learned the why it called is the waterway because you can make waves when you go really fast with the stuff.
Oh, you learned a lot today. That's dope. That's really good.
Have fun with the water wave because I learned that you can't splash, but you can also play and have so much fun.